Anyway, we have FA Cup competition. Let's have a look at the final standings.
Mickey Mouse Trophy.
Not sure.
It was pretty close with the FA Cup this year, it has to be said. And Brian came third in the FA Cup.
Wow.
But only
By not
on
changing
goal
his team.
Difference.
From?
Well, did he lose out to Simon, who came second?
Oh.
Otherwise they were equal on 75 points. And I might add that Lise came fourth with 72 points.
The bouncers.
So it's a brand spanking show that was for the FA Cup. So let's give Simon a big round of applause for second place.
If we must. He gets a medal for that.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, I'm going to have to try harder next year.
It was mine last year.
It's his shoulder offenders.
I mean, just like Cardiff.
It's FA Cup and then the other thing is company there.
Are you going right here?
No, I was going to get a bottle of wine.
Yeah. Important things.
Brian, do you want to kiss it?
So,
If there's any left in there, I'll have some.
Yeah. There's no need to video my stomach.
Cheers. Right, FA Cup.
so having had to relinquish the league trophy this season,
Which was painful.
painful but
What's it say in the bag?
had to be done, he picks up a new trophy this
Oh.
season.
Oh.
Shall
What's
I
this?
reveal?
Oh my God!
It's real gold! It's real gold!
You could get Mickey Mouse in there.
Just gold. FA Cup winner this season. Notice that.
You put all the others on there as well.
Others are on there
He's
from
so
previous
My
seasons.
goodness! God, we'll have to take this more seriously next year.
Congratulations, Mr. Smackrington, although you might notice that there are a few spelling mistakes on these Slovakian clubs, which are to be corrected.
Hey, boom. Yeah, alright. Yep.
And you get a medal as well. Sorry, it's such strange.
Right. Pitch pulls up.
If only the English FA Cup had this much kudos.
So, it's just a short speech. A bit like the rest of them.
These are the jokes.
Right.
Oh dear. I don't do the
dear.
shortest
The
thing. You
moment
do it
we
really
all-
well.
The moment we've all been dreading.
That's what.
Right.
Who's the champion?
Oh yes, I know what's coming now. Medal.
No medal, I'm afraid.
Oh,
Is it a robin?
is it a robin?
The round robin competition.
Stop it.
Now this is a new
Can you take
competition
over this,
for
please?
this season.
Gary's going to pass out.
And I have to say that our chairman did a grand job on picking the trophy. No robins in sight,
Is it round?
but a classy trophy.
Oh.
Oh, that's mine! Get in!
Come and get it!
What's the competition?
Round robin. Round robin trophy for Stattski's Betty Smallbox.
I'm very humble.
Smallbox.
Just because I beat you all, don't take it personally.
Good. Oh dear. Speech!
This is the first thing I've ever won. I don't know what to do.
Okay, Michael.
Well, enjoy it for this year because it won't last.
Was that the Rain Man Award?
If there was ever an example of leave your team alone, this was it. I didn't know I was on top of the league until Pete said, "Gary, you're winning the round robin." Yes.
What is it?
We don't know.
Everyone plays each other every week.
Yeah. So each week, you
You
play each member of your league in turn. And so therefore, this is the important trophy, because it's the one that's got the most bragging rights, you losers. This is the one that counts.
England, I think in Germany you have something similar. It's called the Sparkasserpokal.
Oh dear.
There's going to have to be room in our bed for 3 people this year.
Oh boy. What if he's better?
Right.
Well, that's more than likely, I would say.
On to more important things now.
Good call. It says Betty Swoldbox on it. Those bloody Slovakian dipshits. It says Betty Swoldbox.
Oh, you ain't seen nothing yet.
Oh, so you did win it then.
It's another team.
That's obviously mine.
I think your team was called something else.
But they did get the asterisk right. And in the right place. They didn't put the asterisk on it.
Okay, kiddies. It's time for the medals.
Smackringston Spanky.
Back to the important league. Third place,
Fun.
bronze medal. 609 points.
Good score.
Oh.
Pretty impressive.
That's brilliant,
it has
that
to
is
be
actually.
said. Not brilliant, but it's
Well, the
good.
league, the top points only 700 and something.
It's not good, but it's brilliant.
Jumping 3 places from last season to grab the bronze with a clear gap over his nearest rival.
Yeah.
3 at least.
He can be proud of a bronze medal position this season. The Stritters proved to be a team of stamina. He
Only?
may fall to pieces next season.
Yeah.
Yep, more than likely.
Bronze medal.
Oh,
Simon.
Yay.
it's all spangly. Look at that.
Which I have to say looks more like a gold medal to me, but it says on the order it was bronze.
Well, Simon
look at
can
him all
dream.
beveled up like
That's right. Yeah, so you've had your kiss, you don't get another one.
But you do get a cake as well.
And a cake.
And you can eat
And
it.
a cake. And you can eat it,
He
yeah.
looks like Mr. T.
652.
Wow.
I don't know how they do it. Mind boggles.
Well, you wouldn't, would you, being tense?
No. Enormous me, as he said.
Can't you get 2 teams in summer?
Dropping from last year's pedestal. But a splendid effort, nevertheless. Coming through the struggle of managing 2 teams, or 1.5 teams perhaps. But
Huh?
he may need to be careful that his B team doesn't usurp him next season.
All right, yes, okay.
Serve, mate. Planty, come back next year. I can't understand a word.
Congratulations to Smackrington Spankley on their well-deserved 2nd place and silver medal.
Jingle jangle all the way to the front.
It's like being in church.
Do you want something to drink out of that?
So it's real crystal, is it?
No, it's Slovakian.
Where
It's
did you
never
get
gonna be around.
Did you get that from the Glockenbach bit? You guys have to
Just
go.
for you.
Thank you, darling.
Number 2, there you go.
Oi! By the way,
Cheeky.
And as you all know, I love a number 2.
what does it say on your trophy? Does it say Spankrington Smackley? Or...
Smegrington.
Snake-ridden Spankley.
Because it's not English, whatever it is.
Check what's in the cup.
Red wine.
Oh.
Red wine!
Down in one, down in one, down in one.
Yeah. Yeah, where is the drink?
Yeah.
like I'm in
Well,
church.
that was about
Oh,
to
it's
say, 'cause you're
yeah,
next.
in the freezer.
Okay.